What's up guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I have come up with an hair remedy. Now if you use this hair remedy, your hair will never stop growing. Okay, I actually used it on my own self and it's been so wonderful. It's been so great. Alright, and yeah guys, that's why I decided to share it with you guys. And if you want to know what comprises of my hair remedy, please do continue watching and don't forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also please share this video. Don't forget to turn on the bell right beside the subscribe button so you will be notified when I upload new video. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram guys. Alright guys, let's go see this hair remedy. Hair growth remedy would be garlic. Now garlic has antimicrobial property that helps to kill germs and bacteria which are responsible for causing damage to the scalp. It also helps to grow hair. Raw garlic is known to be rich in vitamin C, which contains a great amount of remedy in promoting hair health. So now we're going to be preparing the garlic. Okay, so we're just going to be peeling off the peel of the garlic. Okay, so we need enough of the garlic for this hair growth remedy. Okay, alright, so now we're just going to be blending this. Okay, so I'm going to be turning that into a blender, and the next ingredients we're going to be needing will be onion. Onion is rich in antibacterial property that helps to keep your scalp healthy and free of infection. It also helps in promoting unhindered hair growth. This same property also helps control dandruff. Onion juice stimulates your scalp and improve the circulation of blood, resulting in follicles that are well nourished, and it also improves hair growth. Onion. Okay, so here we usually have red onion around the side, but of course if you have white onion, it's actually still okay guys. It contains the same property, so it does the same thing. So whichever onion you have, we're just going to be cutting the onion. Okay, we're going to be transferring that into the blender. Okay, so this is it, and the next ingredient we're going to be needing will be moringa. Alright guys, so here is my dried moringa. I actually got some fresh moringa and then I dried it and blended it, okay, into a powder form. But you can actually purchase moringa leaf online. It's actually very easy to get. To increase proper flow of blood to help the scalp, in absorption of more nutrients available in the hair follicles. So it therefore helps to promote hair growth and also increase hair length. And now for the moringa, I'm going to be taking 1 tablespoon of moringa. Okay, and I'm just going to be pouring that into a blender because I need to blend all of these things together. Okay, now I'm just going to be adding up just a little bit of water so I can blend this really well. And now I'm going to go blend it and I'll be right back. And the last ingredient we're going to be needing will be coconut oil. Coconut oil is vast. Coconut oil is good for the skin It also good for the hair as well as the body. So invariably coconut oil is consumable. Okay, coconut oil stimulates hair growth, getting deep into its follicles. Coconut oil promotes the scalp health, fighting against such problems as insect bite, lice and dandruff. So here is my blended onion, garlic and moringa. Okay, so now I'm gonna be straining this out. I'm gonna be needing a little strainer. Obviously we can't afford to, you know, put this whole thing like this in the hair because, or on the hair, okay, because it's just gonna be difficult to wash out. Okay, but if you can blend it really smooth, you can dry. Okay, so I'm going to make sure to bring everything out into the strainer and then alright, so I have to assist the strainer so all of the juice can be out. Okay, so that's why I'm actually doing it this way. Alright guys, so this is how it's looking like. Very thick right now and very smooth. So to put in the coconut oil, which is also very important, so I'm going to be putting in half tablespoon of that. Alright, so after putting in the coconut oil, we're going to be turning it and stirring it very well. Okay, it's actually very thick, and anytime you want to apply this onto your hair, you have to give it a stir, and this is how it looks like. Okay, so you can actually turn this into a container or whatsoever you want to use it. Okay, so I'm going to be setting this aside. Then how you're going to apply this, and then you're going to apply it onto your scalp down to your hair. Okay, and then when you apply it, then you massage it. You massage it through. You massage it. Okay, so basically you can actually you have to strain it out really well so that when you apply it onto your hair, it's going to be really easy to wash out. Okay, but this you can actually leave, you can, you know, keep it for a couple of days. Okay, for as long as you want this to remain, you can keep it, and then you continue using it onto your hair, and then it's just going to help your hair grow really rapid. So basically guys, that is a great way to grow up your bald hair, to grow up your stunted hair. And if you have a frizzy hair, if your hair is breaking, this remedy is just gonna help you strengthen your hair. Okay, so that's it. If you did love this video, please don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel and share the video. Also turn on the bell right beside the subscribe button. That way you will be notified when I upload a new video. And yeah guys, follow me on Instagram. If you have any questions you want to ask me, please do that on my website. The link will be at my description box. Alright guys, and I will see you soon in my next video. Bye guys, and stay flawless.